Parricide officially means the murder of one's parents. And while it accounts for only about 2% of all homicides, I bet you can name two huge cases off the top of your head. One, of course, is the shotgun murders of Jose and Kitty Menendez by their sons, Eric and Lyle. And another is the stabbing deaths of Rob and Michele Reiner, allegedly by their son, Nick. But whether parricides are front-page news or private family tragedies, they leave a particular scar on the survivors, who are often left looking for justice for the dead, but also looking for justice for the accused, because that's a family member too. This came up yesterday in my conversation with Harvey Levin, and I want you to hear what he said.
The Reiner family, when you look at their statement saying what we want is, we want justice, essentially, but they never define what justice is. And I think that in itself is telling, that you've got to imagine that this family has so many conflicting emotions. On the one hand, Nick Reiner is their flesh and blood. On the other, the flesh and blood of their parents was basically butchered in that home, courtesy of Nick Reiner. That's pretty clear. And so for that family to process the loss of their parents, the way they were killed, who killed them, and then to have some understanding of what was going on in Nick Reiner's world, and there is a big story there, Ashleigh. It is a slew of emotions.
So what does this mean for the question of justice? I'm joined now by Alexandria Kazarian, criminal defense attorney whose firm Garagos & Garagos represents the Menendez brothers. So obviously, every lawyer who's worked with the Menendez brothers knows this very, very sensitive dynamic. Walk me through the courtroom. Like, where do these surviving family members even sit? Behind prosecutors or behind the defense?
You know, it really depends, because if you are a family member that feels for the accused, then you feel like you are on the defense side and you're defending your family member that's still alive. But if you don't have any sympathy for them, then yeah, you sit with the prosecutor.
So this is such a rare crime and there's so little precedent. That doesn't mean there isn't precedent. I mean, people have done this before, right? But I'm wondering what happens with the investigation and the preparation for the prosecution. Are family members helpful to the prosecution? Are they helpful to the defense attorney? Like, how does that even work?
You know, it really depends, and on a case-by-case basis, it depends on what the prosecutor's office is really doing to help the victims in the case, because sometimes helping the victim get justice means getting the right charge for the person who's accused. And sometimes the prosecutor's office isn't interested in that, and they want to just go for the jugular and get the biggest conviction that they can get. And family members end up feeling like that's not actually justice being served. So it depends on the prosecutor's office. It really does.
So let me ask you this. Jurors miss nothing, you know, in a courtroom. They see everything. They see crying widows. They see it all. Do the jurors notice that these family members are torn between both sides, and does it affect them in some way?
During a trial, if a family member is going to testify, they don't sit in court during the trial. So if it's somebody who's going to end up being a witness, they're excluded. But the rest of the family, yeah, they watch them. They can see when they're feeling sympathy and who they're feeling sympathy for. So if they read that the entire family is feeling sympathy, not only for the victim, when they see these gruesome pictures that are inevitably going to be up on the screen, but if they see them feeling sympathy for the defendant, then absolutely they take that into consideration.
How did it work for the Menendez family? Because now 100% of them are on board with the Menendez brothers being freed. So they sit on one side, all of them. But that wasn't always the case.
Well, the family has always been very torn, and the brothers too have always been, you know, they lost their mother at their own hands. So the guilt that they have and the mourning of their parents is just this crazy spiral that they've had to deal with, and the family members as well, because the family members not only lost Kitty and Jose, but they lost Lyle and Eric too. So it's this huge conflict of trying to mourn people that some are still there and they're there because of things that they are accused of doing by their own hand. So how do you mourn someone who should be punished? Maybe it's very, very confusing. and it creates so many levels of trauma that it's impossible to understand, really.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.